Nursery cartoon love journey with Hoorah. In the heart of the meadow where colors collide, 5 little ducks came with laughter and pride. With feathers like sunshine they danced in a row. The quacks filled the air as they put on a show. The first was named Daffy, so bold and so bright. He splashed through the puddles in sheer delight. With a wiggle and waddle he led all his friends in circles of joy that seemed never to lie. Next came sweet Daisy with grace like a swan, her voice like a melody carried at dawn. She twirled by the stalls with her friends close behind, a vision of happiness perfectly designed. Then Waddles appeared with his charming old sway. His story is enchanted, he had much to say of adventures in ponds and the stars up above. Each tale was infused with friendship and love. Now Puddle was playful, he leapt high with glee, chasing shadows that danced beneath every tree. He flipped and he flopped, oh what joy did he bring in this festival's magic where all creatures sing. Last came wise Quill who had zephed from afar, with dreams made of stardust spun out of bazaar. He pondered on life as the day turned to night, the beauty in moments both fleeting and bright. As twilight descended on merry delight, 5 ducks gathered close neath the softening light. Together they quacked neath the shimmering sky, in this world full of wonder where friendships don't die. So if ever you wander through fairs filled with cheer, remember those 5 ducks who brought love near. For within every laughter lies hope's gentle spark, a reminder that joy can illuminate dark. Nursery cartoon love journey with Hoorah.